Was geht, Leute? Was geht, Leute? Was geht, Leute? Hey!
May is always a busy month for juggling convention. There are 13 conventions in or around Germany just from INBUS. This time, I joined a very special convention nearby Salzburg, Sound of Juggling. This convention is held every 2 years. From my rough estimation, there are about 200 participants this year. The special thing of this convention lies at the circus tents. The convention put on the big circus tent and some small tents for juggling training and for the shows.
Surprisingly, the weather is very good. Also luckily.
Well, although we only have luck for the first day, there's a gym for people to train inside. The view is so nice. Too bad the weather is not on our side. The convention has all the things it should have. Apparently, fire is a big thing in this convention. Additionally, there are extra shows and a music jam, where people can make some noise in the tent. I especially bring this small cajon for the section. The Gala show is really good. Especially the final show from Shu Takada. He is a superstar in yo-yo field, and I definitely know why. He nailed it!
Yeah! Nice! Woo!
This convention also has Renegade, which you actually don't see much in German conventions.
Woo! We have music, we have a stage, and we need tricks.
The rule for the Renegade night is that you cannot film it. But from the sound, it's not too hard to imagine how crazy it was in the hall. So that's it. Another convention with many friends and a lot of fun.
What do you use Diablo for? I forgot my card.
I hope in 2 years I can still come and the weather is good. I'm Joey. See you next time. Bye.